Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Okay, welcome to next session, that is addition of a 3-digit number. Addition of a 3-digit number. Already you know about a 2-digit number, how to add the 2-digit numbers. The same process we will follow here. Nothing changes. Whether it is 4-digit, 5-digit or 6-digit. The method, the process is same. Nothing changes in that addition. Okay. Now let us start with the addition of a 3-digit number without carry. First we'll solve the problems on without carry. Then afterwards with the carry we will solve. Okay. First, before recap means in previous class what you learned, that is first I'll solve. How? Here first example, first I'll take 2-digit number 35 plus 43. Yes, this is the first example. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 3 plus 4, 7. Very good. You know that one. Now, I will write second one here only. This is a without carry. Without carry, addition of a 2-digit number. Now, with the carry, I will solve. 46 plus 37 or 36 I'll take. Now in this case 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 1 here we are taking 2 downside. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 1 upside and 2 downside. Sorry. Now 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 2-digit number without carry and 2-digit number with the carry. Okay. Now I will go to 3-digit number. Addition of a 3-digit number. I will erase this. $354 plus 135. This is a 3-digit number. Addition of 3-digit number. Nothing changes here. Only digits will be changed. Digit here, first one we are from right side. From right side we are counting always from right side to left side. This is the right side. From right side to left side when we are moving, that time we are counting as this is a unit place or ones place. Unit place, tens place, then 100 place. 100 place. According to this place value chart, we are consider as this is a ones place or unit place, tens place and 100 place. Okay. Don't worry about this unit place, 100 place or tens place value chart. Don't worry about that. only logic you have to apply. Only you have to apply that logic. What you have to add? Addition you have to do, whether it is 3 digit or 4 digit. Okay, don't worry about that. Only you have to add this. How to add? The same procedure you have to apply. Where you applied that one? In one 2 digit number. Simple addition. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. Yes, simple as it is. That what you solve in 2 digit number, addition of a 2 digit number, how you solve? The same procedure you have to apply in this also. Nothing changes, nothing changes. Simple. Okay, children. Now let us start with another one example. I'll take another one example. For example, $462 plus 125. Same as it is here also. Yes, 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. Yes, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Simple addition, nothing changes. Same as it is in 2 digit. What you solve? The same thing you have to apply. Yes. Now I'll go to next third one. $163 plus 225. Please solve this one. Until that I'll write fourth one. Nothing changes here. The same procedure you have to apply. Yes, children. Now I will solve. Cross verify with your answers. Cross verify with your answers. 3 plus 5, 8. Very good. 6 plus 2, 8. Very good. 1 plus 2, 3. Very good. Now same as it is here. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Yes, very good, fantastic. I'll solve another two. Fourth over fifth one. Wait, don't want this one. In next time I'll solve. $545, 123, 21, 1. Yes, solve this problem. Yes, very good children. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now let us start with the next one. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Yes, very good children. Now I will give you homework. Note down this one. Now next I will give homework. Solve these problems and send to my WhatsApp number. Today's homework. Today's homework. Addition of a 3-digit number. Second word. Now third one. Third one. 400 and sorry, don't want this. 451 plus 228. Fourth one. 611 plus 288. 288. Fourth over. Fifth one. 125 plus 124. Sixth one. Yes, this is your homework. Solve this homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Have a nice day. Thank you.